Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today is a review of a toy I bought yesterday. You guys might have saw it on my last video, my stop motion video, kind of. So, let's see it. This is it right here. It's like Pokemon Litten. I really like it. My brother it came in 2 packs, well 2 in 1. And my brother has one. He has a Rowlet. I like Litten a lot. Look. I really like him. And I have these toys here, so I'm going to do a little bit of playing for you guys on my channel. Playing. My channel, these are garbage gang, grocery gang. And so, yeah, let's do it. So, hold on. What's going on? Marr. Give me your cat fur. What do I do now? Fire Fang! Well, he's dead. Okay, it's pizza. Oh, let's eat. Oh, that tastes gross. Pretzel. Yeah. That's one. Whoa. And boom, kicked it right in the face. Don't mess with strangers, boys or girls. Whoa, what is this? So, thumbnail. It's a thumbnail. Where? That's the thumbnail. Like, you guys liked the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Peace. Oh, push, push. Oh, push.